The way we built this program is we want our kids to have fun, but we want them to be employable, right? So when Chris and I and the Rocket Drones team, we all sat down, we started working on this. The question we said was, okay, Brandon, describe the perfect interview candidate. They come in, they want a job. What does that look like? And that's actually how Rocket Drones was built. Imagine if a candidate comes to me and says, hey, I want to be a drone pilot. I've had my drone for a year and I fly for fun. Oh, great. You have any credentials? You have a logbook? Can you show me some of your footage? It doesn't really go anywhere. So the dream candidate is, imagine a senior graduating now. They walk in for an interview. Hey, I'm Brandon. Here's my resume. Here's my Part 107. Here's my logbook showing 50 to 100 hours of logged flight time. By the way, here's my portfolio. Check out my video work. Check out my editing skills and how I handle the machine. Let me show you what I can do. Well, now as an employer, I just got excited. I'm going through, I'm looking at this footage, and now I'm looking at it going, hey, instead of you being a 90-day candidate where it takes me 3 months to bring you in, build you up and train you properly and put you in the field, I'm looking at a 20 to 30-day turnkey pilot now because they've already learned all the different skills that I need them to know. So they're coming to me already trained, already prepared, they're employable.